We are up at our property. It's probably been about a year. I haven't really filmed much in the meantime, been trying to get equipment and whatnot, but it's what it looks like now. So I got the apron put in, as you can see, and I got the dozer back here from a job, and we're gonna start stripping off more topsoil for the driveway so I can get more rock in here and get fill in here. The goal is I staked everything off, got it roughly 14 feet apart, so we're gonna keep going down through here, and then where it drops off, I'm gonna stop there for now, and that's where all the fill will get stockpiled, so I can get across a wetland area. Get the old girl warmed up. Tell you what, finally using this thing quite a bit now, and great machine. Can't beat it. Commons. Okay, I got it roughly boxed in. All I'm doing right now, I'm taking off the topsoil. So obviously you don't want to put your road base on roots and organic matter. So the game plan now, I'm gonna start where the rock ends, and now I'm gonna push down, and I kind of have a high area right here up to that tree. So I'm gonna knock that down, push it into the low area, and that should kind of bring everything up. Last time I was up here, I got that rock down that we're tracking on right now. I have another load coming today, and then 1 or 2 more tomorrow. I want to get like another 50 feet down, and then after that I'm gonna hold off for a while because I got to put pipes in and all that, so no point in dirtying up the base material. But pretty excited for this. Been dealing with mud here for a long time now, so feels good to get it sealed up to a point. my guy, he just showed up, dropped me another load of 3-inch minus, so gonna get this spread out, make room for more coming tomorrow. So I think I'm gonna call the video here for now. I put 3 more loads of rock down. It packed in nice, got everything kind of crowned off. So this side here, it's a little bit higher, tapers off here. My goal, all the water up by the road, that's all gonna hit right here into that swale. Then eventually I'm gonna pipe that into the pond. It's a pond, it never has enough water. I got to get the bulldozer here and track all this in more. I have a 4th pile over here staged. I didn't put that down yet because this here, like the dirt part, I built that up probably 4 or 5 feet, so I want to compact that before I put the road base down. I think it'll just work out better that way, let it settle. I mean, it's packed in good right now, but I want it harder. So that's the plan for that. The next video is gonna be dealing with the headache of mine, which is this creek here. It's super hot out right now. It's probably like 90, so it's not much water in here, but we got to get across this. When we're across that, we're kind of home free. I mean, I got a big hill to deal with. I got to get more fill in here, quite a bit more, so I want to have the current height that's at all the way up, and then we're gonna match it to like the higher part of the hill up there. looking forward to continuing to seal this up. Been working on it a couple years now, so feel like we're getting somewhere.